Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys go to below, then tap on general and then tap on software updates, and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. So guys, if you don't have the updated version, then update it first, and after that go back and again go back and tap on screen time, scroll down, then tap on content and privacy restriction and turn this on, and after that tap on allowed apps. And from here guys, you have to just simply turn on Safari from here, and from here guys simply close this page and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings again. From here guys, scroll it below and locate for the Safari. So guys, here it is, so simply tap on it and again scroll it below, and from here guys simply tap on clear history and website data. So guys, simply tap on clear history, and after that scroll it below and tap on advanced and tap on website data, and from here guys simply clear all the website data from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.